Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabli. So in this video we are going to learn how to add new UTEACH students to Go High Level as contacts. So here I am an online educator and I am using UTEACH to sell my various courses. So here in this case I want whenever a new student is enrolled in my UTEACH account, automatically it should create it as a new contact in my Go High Level account. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabli Connect. So here to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add new UTEACH students to Go High Level as a new contacts. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I am an online educator and I'm using UTEACH to offer various courses. So here in this case I want whenever a student enrolls in any of my courses, I want to add him or her as a contact in my Go High Level. So by creating a Go High Level contact for the same student, I want to create a good sync between my LMS platform and my marketing platform. So this integration not only saves time by eliminating manual data entry, but also helps me build a connection between my LMS and marketing platform. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my UTEACH account with my Go High Level account. And to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabli Connect. So Pabli Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notification when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabli Connect and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabli.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabli apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabli. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabli Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabli Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as add new UTEACH students to Go High Level as contacts. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And here to learn how to create a new folder in Pabli Connect, you have to click on this learn more link. And it will take you to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder in Pabli Connect. So moving back to my Pabli's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see I have successfully created a workflow with the name add new UTEACH students to Go High Level as contacts. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here for my trigger application, I'm going to select UTEACH. So UTEACH is an online platform designed to streamline course enrollment and management for educational institutions and instructors. It helps simplify the process of registering students, managing course materials, and tracking progress. People prefer short and simple solutions like UTEACH because they are easy to use and save time by eliminating unnecessary complexities, allowing educators to focus more on teaching and less on administrative tasks. So here in my UTEACH trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new student, and here in the instruction it says triggers when a new student is registered. So here I'm going to select this trigger event, and now to connect my UTEACH with Pabli Connect, I'm going to click on this connect. And here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your UTeach account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking for a domain and API key. And here in the instruction it says enter your API key and domain from your UTeach dashboard under settings, integrations and Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my UTeach account. And from here I'm going to select the settings. And under settings, I'm going to select integrations. And under integrations, I'm going to select Pabbly Connect. And here you can see we have received the API key and domain for Pabbly. So here I'm going to copy these details and paste in my Pabbly window. So here I've successfully added both the details and now I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here you can see it is asking for save and send test request. So here I'm going to click on this. And here you can see after clicking on save and send test request, here it is waiting for response. That means here to receive a response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to create a new student in our UTeach account. So for that, let me take you back to my UTeach account. And here I'm going to create a new student by clicking on this create new student button given over here. And here I'm going to add some dummy data. So for the full name, I'm going to enter the name as test user, email as test222@pabblytudes.com and a random password. And now I'm going to click on this save changes. And here you can see we have successfully created a new student with the full name as test user and email as test222@pabblytudes.com. So moving back to our Pabbly window. And here you can see we have successfully received a response here where we have received the name, ID and the email of the student. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger step. Now let's move to action step. And here I am going to select my action application as Go High Level. But here in Pabbly Connect, instead of searching for Go High Level, I am going to search for Lead Connector V2. So here by selecting this Lead Connector V2, I am going to connect my Go High Level account with Pabbly Connect. So Go High Level is an all-in-one platform that helps businesses manage their customers and grow sales. It combines tools like CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels, and appointment scheduling in one place. People love it because it simplifies their workflow and saves time, making it easier to focus on growing their business. So here in my Lead Connector V2, I am going to select my action event as create a contact. And here in the instruction it says creates a contact on a sub account level. So here I am going to select this action event so that whenever a new student is created in my UTeach, automatically that student should be added as a contact in my Go High Level account. And here to connect my Lead Connector V2 with Pabbly Connect, I am going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Lead Connector V2 account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Lead Connector V2. And from here, I'm going to select my desired sub account because this action step is going to run on sub account level. So here I'm going to select a sub account which is named as Pabbly Connect. And here you can see authorization successful. So here it easily got connected because I was already logged in my Go High Level account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you are already logged in your Go High Level account. And now moving back to Pabbly window, and here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and then here it is asking for first name, last name, full name, email and some other details. So here I'm going to enter only some details which I have received in my trigger response, but you can add the details as per your need. So here in my trigger response, I have received the full name and the student's email. So here I'm going to enter only these values. So here instead of entering this full name manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever a new student is created in my UTeach, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the full name. Moving forward, and here I'm going to map the student's email. And now here, after entering both these details, moving forward, here these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all these details, I'm going to click on the Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Go High Level account. So to check that, let me take you back to my Go High Level account. So here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name test user, email as test222@pablitudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example. And here to test my automation, I need to create a new student in my UTeach account. So for that, let me take you back to my UTeach account. And here I'm going to create a new student by clicking on this Create Student button given over here. So here I'm going to enter the full name such as Dummy Lead, email as dummy222@pablitudes.com. And here I'm going to enter a random password. And now I'm going to click on this Save Changes. And here you can see we have successfully created a new student here with the name Dummy Lead and email as dummy222@pablitudes.com. So now let's go and check our Go High Level account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact in our Go High Level account with the name Dummy Lead and email as dummy222@pablitudes.com. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as UTeach and our action as Lead Connector week 2. So that whenever a new student is created in our UTeach account, automatically that student should be added as a new contact in my Go High Level account. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.